Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by isolating the failure. Reproduce the issue while you run quick checks. Open Discord and force a restart, then try another device or mobile hotspot to separate app problems from network issues. Once done, verify the voice channel region and permissions so the platform isn't blocking connections. Next, run ping and tracert to Discord IPs and note latency or packet loss, because those numbers tell you whether the path or Discord is at fault. Now you dig into the middle. Interpret your tracert output to spot where delays or failures happen, since a middle hop spike pinpoints ISP or backbone problems. Then change DNS to 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8 and flush the DNS cache to eliminate name resolution issues that can misroute traffic. Make sure to test with VPN, proxy, and personal firewalls turned off briefly if the route works without them. Reconfigure or finish by implementing fixes and validating success. Update router firmware and network drivers, enable appropriate co-S rules for voice, and reboot the modem to get a fresh route. Once done, rerun calls and tracert to confirm latency and packet loss are gone, because verification closes the loop. If problems persist, collect your ping/tracert outputs, timestamps, and app logs. Then contact your ISP or submit those logs to Discord support. One key troubleshooting tip is to always include a recent tracert so they can see the exact failing hop.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.